With the power of technology, you can now send money from your BPI account to a GCash account for free. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Here's how to easily send money from your BPI mobile banking account to a GCash account. Here's what you need. First, the BPI mobile banking app installed in your mobile device. Then, your BPI online banking account credentials. And lastly, the recipient GCash number. To get started, open your BPI mobile app and log in using your online account username and password. Tap on the hamburger menu, found at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Payments/Load. Then, tap on Load e-Wallet. First, you need to select the account from which you will get the funds to load an e-wallet. For this example, I'll be selecting my regular savings account. Next, select the e-wallet that you wish to add funds to. Here, we select GCash from the list of options. Then, enter the recipient's GCash number in the reference number field. Next, enter the amount. Loading an e-wallet through the BPI mobile app requires a minimum of 300 load amount. Tap Next to proceed to the next step. Review all the details you provided and tap Confirm to submit the form. Enter your 6-digit mobile key to confirm the transaction. Once you see this message, this means that the funds are transferred to the indicated GCash account. BPI will send you an email containing the GCash e-wallet loading transaction details. The recipient GCash account holder will also get an SMS from GCash about the details of the funds he received. Sending money from your BPI account to a GCash account has never been easier or more convenient. And the best part? It's free. So, the next time you need to send money to a friend or family member, skip the physical transaction and send it digitally.
Thanks for watching, you amazing humans. If you liked this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And for those of you who have already subscribed, you guys are rock stars. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in our next video.